Can we imagine that artificial intelligence brings us closer to what is most human? At first glance, this may seem counterintuitive, and yet that's exactly what's happening. By automating repetitive, analytical, and predictable tasks, AI doesn't replace the manager. It frees them up. It gives them the space and the freedom to concentrate on what truly creates a significant impact. In the modern world, today's manager can no longer merely adhere strictly to executing processes or overseeing and analyzing the numbers. That time is over. Today, a manager is primarily an interpreter of human emotions and feelings. They pick up on the implicit, sense the unspoken, and interpret silences. And it doesn't stop there. This talent helps to act better, to make fairer and more human decisions. But that's not all. The manager also plays a role as a mediator. They ease tensions, turn contradictions into opportunities, and make a difference, serving as a lever for collaboration. Where AI applies algorithms, the manager relies on their relational intelligence to reconcile and innovate. And then there's the essential part. The manager is a meaning maker. In a fast-changing world where communication is often cold and disembodied, they inspire, unite, and bring back direction and energy. A truly sincere listening, a kind and fair word, a simple gesture of recognition. This is what the machine will never truly be able to offer. The three key dimensions of the manager in the age of AI are as follows. This new paradigm indeed redefines the role of the manager. Their missions are becoming both more strategic and more human. And this transformation relies on three essential skills. First of all, navigating uncertainty. In an unpredictable work world where AI calculates probabilities, the manager must actively seize opportunities in this ever-changing environment. By turning tension into leverage and effectively a crisis into innovation, that's where they need to truly excel. The second key skill is to turn tensions into assets. Professional relationships are often filled with ambiguity, disagreement, resistance, and unavoidable silence. But for an ethereal manager, these shouldn't be obstacles, but rather stepping stones. Where AI rationalizes, humans feel they anticipate and adjust. Managing these tensions and turning them into a driving force for collaboration requires a finesse that no technology can match. Finally, the third skill is to create authentic connections. The manager must be a creator of connections. In an environment saturated with digital communication, it's the human interactions that make the difference. An attentive listening, a genuine and heartfelt word, an act of recognition and understanding. These moments foster and nurture trust, motivate and inspire teams, and give meaning and appreciation to work. These qualities are and will remain deeply human. An explorer manager of the uncertain seems to be the emerging trend in the business world. What sets the manager of tomorrow apart is indeed their ability to embrace complexity. Where others see obstacles, tensions, contradictions, and conflicts, he sees opportunities. By standardizing processes, AI pushes humans to innovate in areas where it remains powerless. Intuition, empathy, creativity, and the ability to make sense of the unpredictable. In conclusion, AI reveals the human but does not replace it. In this context, the manager is no longer just a decision maker. They become an explorer of uncertainty, turning every contradiction into an opportunity for creation. By taking on mechanical tasks, AI allows the manager to focus on what makes them unique, which is interpreting the uncertain, guiding through complexity, and building meaning. Therefore, the true revolution of AI doesn't lie in its technological power, but in its ability to elevate what is most precious in us, our vulnerability, which is a source of wonder, courage, and inspiration.